How to sign out of iCloud on MacBook. If you want to sign out of your iCloud account on a MacBook device or any other Apple device for that matter, it is very simple to do so. What we have to do to sign out of iCloud is we have to go ahead and simply launch the system settings. Once we launch the system settings, from the very top you can see your Apple ID profile. Go to your Apple ID profile. Once you click on the Apple ID profile, this is the option you will see again. You simply have to scroll down and there you can find the option called sign out. So you can just click the sign out button there and confirm the changes and you'll be successfully signed out of your iCloud or Apple ID on MacBook. This way you can sign out of Apple ID on MacBook. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.